Hi everybody. The title of this presentation is Successful IT Department in a Hotel. Please read carefully. The disclaimer. The content is purely based on general experience, views, observations and knowledge of other peers and does not depict any of the policies or standards implied by any organization. The impact, assumptions and any other philosophical, theoretical ideologies beyond the control of this presentation and creation of any kind of audience's perception is not the intention of this presentation. Hotels. How to become a successful IT department and successful IT team. The objective of this presentation is to deal with people management and not technical management. Define the scope. Define your IT infrastructure. Analyze your IT infrastructure. Prioritize the functions, assets, and processes. Identify and associate functions of your organization with relevant assets. In simple terms, who uses what? Want to be a successful IT team member or manager? Then focus and prioritize. Focus and prioritize your internal or external clients. Who's internal client? An admin user. An external client. A guest. So who's at your priority list? For sure, both of internal and external clients will be at your priority list. An admin user or a guest. Prioritizing the client. Hotel guest. Of course, in the hospitality industry, no one can supersede the priority of a guest. A guest who is paying to get the value for money is always on highest priority, because that's the entity which in turn is the source of revenue for your hotel or organization and its owners. A guest is making your hotel's image remarkable and helps to build the business indirectly by referring your hotel to others. A guest's positive and negative reviews availability in the form of hard copies or in the form of electronic media such as websites should never be overlooked. By considering the above factors, it is obvious that highest priority goes for the guest. The next priority level, a user. Never ever underestimate the power of a common user. A common user largely contributes towards your success. If a user is happy with you regardless of the department he is working for, then you have got a vote. It doesn't matter what kind of features your system is offering, but if a user is unable to perform the daily task, then not only the system will be blamed, maybe supplied by third party, but you will also get a credit for that. Keep in mind that priority does exist at user level. Prioritize a user. Prioritize a user by its function. In a simple scenario, if a user is working at reception desk, serving the guest directly, then he or she has got the highest priority among the other users, because that user and the guest both are your clients. The priority is well justified by the circumstances and the functioning group of the organization. Share the knowledge. Share your knowledge with other users. Some users may not have sufficient skills to use computers and related software to perform their routine job task. Don't feel burdened to train them. Take greater interest in a user's daily task if they ask you for help or support. Try to simplify their routine task. This will not only help to make your image better, but this will be counted towards greater productivity for the whole organization. Utilize your own skills. If you know a little programming, it's not a bad idea to develop something for your users in-house, if allowed by the top management. It's not a bad idea to give something to your users for which they are looking for, or even if they don't know if something can exist. Never ever think that giving more knowledge to users about the system will add an extra task to your daily task list. By sharing knowledge, in fact, you are decreasing the probability for more support calls. Arrange and organize training sessions for your users. Communication skills. No matter how strong you are in technical skills, but communication skills play a vital role in your and your team's success. Communication always remove the barriers to convey your message to the audience, maybe users, top management and guests. Create a friendly atmosphere among the departments you are serving, but always keep a little distance as you are the auditor of systems installed in the premises. If you get too close to any user, then it might cause you to compromise to implement and monitor certain standards, which is not a good practice. Never ever compromise on standards and policies that are laid down by the management. Conduct formal and informal meetings with users. Increase your own hotel knowledge. Get cross trainings. Attend training sessions for all software even though those are related to specific users. Know the process flow of each department up to maximum extent. By doing all above steps, you will get following benefits. Better understanding of the problems, support calls. Better and meaningful application of issues to the supplier. A user commonly does not speak or understand the technical language, but you can explain the problem to supplier in business and technical languages wherever necessary. You might resolve the issue firsthand rather to call third-party support every time, which will incur the time and user might get annoyed. Helps you to analyze the performance evaluation of a certain software or hardware product along with the department. Helps to make recommendations or take better decisions while comparing the products or services. Helps to maintain supplier relationships better as you know the product and its features. Last but not least, it will help you to prioritize the help desk calls. That's the end. Please feel free to share your thoughts and feedback. Have a great day ahead.